Hello everyone, my name is Maya and I am a student in the Bachelor of Public Relations program in the Faculty of Media and Creative Arts. Welcome to the virtual tour. Humber's Faculty of Media and Creative Arts offers the most comprehensive mix of media, arts, and communications programs in Canada. We have programs both at the North and Lakeshore campuses, and this includes degrees, diplomas, and certificates. For example, I'm in the PR degree program, but there is also the option of a 3-year advanced diploma or a 1-year postgraduate certificate. This completely depends on your learning style and the experience that you're looking for. Our areas of expertise include journalism and writing, advertising and public relations, interaction design and animation, music and fine arts, film, acting, and television. With 48 full-time programs, 10 part-time programs, and over 70 standalone courses, we specialize in storytelling in all forms. Students learn from professors with substantial and industry-related experience and build their own professional networks through work-integrated learning opportunities, like an event management class that allows you to execute your own event from scratch, or even your internship where you learn to apply all the knowledge and skills that you've gained so far. Students can also apply these skills on campus in dedicated studios, labs, and performance spaces. These feature state-of-the-art labs that are equipped with leading-edge facilities. Some of them include the HDTV mobile unit, digital broadcast center and newsrooms, virtual reality room, usability room, art commons, Radio Humber, which is Canada's first all-Canadian radio station that broadcasts 24/7 from the North Campus, Building F, where advertising students work on campaigns for the industry, and many dedicated music and performing art labs and spaces, including our own recording studio, prop wardrobe, and paint shops. If you're looking for more details on our labs and spaces, click on the Live Lab page and check out our YouTube channel for program videos. Thank you for being here. Bye.